you're beautiful. You are beautiful. Is mom as beautiful as you? No. Hello, Internet. It's me again. I just wanted to give you all a little update on some organization that I've done, as well as possibly a little bit of a tidying video, not necessarily a deep clean, just to pretend like somebody cares about the organization that I've done in my house the past week. First, I made this chore chart to not only keep myself organized, but also to prove to significant other, this is all that I do in a day. You don't have any magnets. I have all the magnets. These are my magnets. Second, about magnets. I went to Goodwill to get a mini muffin pan, and they had arithmetic and alphabet magnets. This is gonna come in handy when we get child. If they're small, then they can do the arithmetic and alphabet with the magnets. If they're teenage kids, then they can just write out swear words. I also kind of put this in an order. Over here are things that one person needs to do a day. Are there dishes on the drying rack? First. And I put those up, so I put a magnet. Dishwasher need to be emptied? No, no, no. Does the trash need to be taken out? It reminds me to check it, because sometimes I will forget and it's trash day and I have a full trash bag and completely forget to take it out. Then at laundry, check the dryer, take the stuff out of the dryer, check the washer, move the stuff from the washer into the dryer, fold the laundry and put laundry in the washer if it needs to. It's in an order to help me stay organized and me have some sort of idea of what to do next, and to kind of keep my mind on what could need to be done today. Over here are things that everybody should do. It's organized by bathroom. Me and significant other share a bathroom, so one of us needs to do this. Bedroom, kitchen, living room, and daily. Is your lunch packed? Do you know what to wear tomorrow? Is your backpack packed? And spend 5 minutes cleaning something.
So in implementation of the chart, I'm putting up everything from the drying rack first. I already know the dishwasher is only half full and doesn't need to be emptied. So I'm filling up the water for the Keurig and starting on the dishes soaking in the sink. We recently used up the last of our plastic dish sponges and moved onto this walnut-based natural sponge. At least with this cleaning, it worked just as good, if not better, to scrub off the pan guck, but that is also comparing the first use of the natural sponge to the last use of the plastic sponge. As I said, the mini muffin pan just came from Goodwill, so even though it looks clean, I'm still giving it a deep scrub. Yes, I know that the muffin cups are unnecessary and wasteful, but they were left by an old roommate. They were just going to be thrown out anyways. And once again, the pan was thrifted, so I wanted to put it in a 350-degree oven to kill any microorganisms that the dish soap may have missed. Don't at me! I have some cherry pie fillings, so I thought it would be a neat experiment to put those in the muffins. SO doesn't really like cherries, so I only put them in half. I also put my sink cleaning things in this little dish. I saw it on some cleaning channels, but that is definitely helpful for keeping everything in one place. This whole area used to be a pile of sheets and blankets, and now it's just the winter comforters in that bag because they were too thick to go under the bed. The sheets, pillowcases, and throw blankets bags are now easier to access under the bed.
You're very interested in me filming. You are. Your sister could care less. I made the bed. Our nightstand, it just has my computer on it right now with my phone and our water bottle. I also did this as a 5-minute clean. I dusted all of that and swept the room as well, so that got rid of a lot of the pug hair on the floor. And I took that off of the floor because apparently significant other thinks that
right next to the Pugs dish is the appropriate place for a bag of tortilla chips. But he said that since he is trying to stick to the chore chart, he is going to get those cups today. So this room reflects a lot of orange light because of how many orange items are in it. So sorry for that in advance. But look at this. I got it from Goodwill the other day. Oh, hello. So that was too fat to fit under the bed, so we just shoved the extra comforter and blanket for that room in there with all the sheets. That is extra pillowcases, and there are just a couple extra fuzzy blankets. Can I fit all the blankets in there and take the sheets and put them in that one? I don't know. I might try later. Come on, Bear. Penny, don't crowd your brother. Come on, Bear. I promise you're not stuck. Come on, you can do it, I promise. Come on. I'm right here, just come here. Come here, Bear. Come on. Good boy. Also, they're next to my pajamas, my outfit for tomorrow, including shoes and socks and an undershirt, so that I don't have to spend 15 minutes staring at my closet trying to find the motivation to pick something out again, which is why I was late this morning. I also dusted all of my belongings off of here, which is that lamp and that lamp. I am going to ask significant other if he will dust his belongings from the mantle. The living room mantle is probably what I'm going to get to the next couple days for 5-minute cleans, just because it's got a lot of candle stuff and essential oil diffuser stuff, and just a lot of that needs to be dusted. This I'm not even going to touch, I mean, besides the candle, one single candle, but this is really dusty. I personally don't see a purpose behind having so much of things that we don't use. Significant other has joined the glorious PC master race. I understand the desire to feel the console controller in your hand for optimal gameplay, but almost everything has an emulator. I don't really see why we need to keep so much of so much. Ooh, that actually brings me to our coffee table storage ottoman. You thought it was plush. Oh wait, it opens up to, I think those are 2 layers of NES games. Why does he not have all of his game junk in here so it doesn't get dusty? This is an optimal spot for it. Also, so Penny doesn't throw her tennis balls at them and ruin them. What do you have stuck under the consoles, baby? Do you have a tennis ball stuck under there? Yeah, see, they would be so much safer in a storage ottoman. And something that is not organized that I really need to do, I had it requested to me to show a refrigerator organization, and honestly, ew. She needs a deep clean before I can reorganize her. So I am definitely planning on doing a reorganization video of my refrigerator. It's something that's been on the agenda for a while. I couldn't do it Monday because of family stuff. Tuesday we had climbing. Today's Wednesday, I have Lyra. And you saw all the stuff that I did already today. Tomorrow, I promised significant other that we are going to go to Izzy's and have a nice dinner date night. Friday, he's probably gonna wanna play video games though. So I can probably do the clean out then. I'm not sure if we're doing anything for Father's Day. That might be another film and edit day. Oh shit, I gotta get ready for Lyra. Thank you for watching. The Pugs definitely appreciate the attention, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please voice them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.